You're gonna love the 2023 Toyota Camry. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, alarm. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style. Our team is standing by to make your test drive fun and easy.